Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today I have a video all about, it's either Fytoo or Fytoo. I am not completely positive on how to pronounce I can't even pronounce how to pronounce the name, but it is Fytoo or Fytoo Eyewear. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me some pairs of glasses to try out. Some are prescription, some are not, some are sunglasses, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see what sunglasses I have in here because I can never make up my mind when I see sunglasses, like when I'm shopping somewhere. I'll put them on and I'll like think about it, and then I ultimately usually put them down because I just don't want to spend the money on them, because a lot of the time sunglasses are just like weirdly expensive. So guess what? You guys actually get a discount code, Alicia15. It'll be in the description box in case you need to know how to spell it or whatnot. You can check out their website if you like any of these pairs of glasses that you see, or if you're in need of some new prescription glasses, and you can save some money, 15% to be exact. So I want to thank them for giving me that discount code to give to you all. Hey you guys, this is editing / future Alicia here. Before I was able to put the video out, Fytoo actually had a huge sale going on, so they wanted me to talk about it in the video. So here I am letting you guys know about the discounts that you could have on top of the Alicia 15% off your entire order discount. They're actually having their 1-year anniversary sale going on right now, so you guys are getting savings on savings on savings. It's the biggest sale of the year for them. I'm sorry if you guys can see the glare. This is why I don't wear glasses usually when I'm filming, but this one I don't. This is fresh me, no makeup. Yeah, wearing one of the glasses from them actually. Oh, I love these so much. I've worn all of their stuff since I got it. Super great quality. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Like, I can't wait for you guys to tell me like what you guys end up getting if you guys end up trying it. You can get $10 on orders that are $70 or more. You can also get $15 off on orders $95 or more. And you get a free gift for your first order, and you get to pick between sunglasses, kids glasses, a glasses clip, and sports glasses, it looks like. So you get a free gift. You can save money on like big orders, so that's amazing. But if you don't end up purchasing before September 26th, which is when the 1-year anniversary sale expires, you still can use Alicia15 at checkout for 15% off your entire order. So yeah, definitely go to their site, check it out, see if there's anything you like, because now is the time to try it out and buy some stuff, because savings on savings on savings. Yeah, like some of the glasses are even just like super cheap right now. Like they're really marked down. So I would definitely recommend going and checking it out and seeing if there's anything you like on sale. And if not, like I said, 15% off your order, your entire order anyway, with Alicia15. Now back to Alicia-licious of Fytoo glasses past. I don't know. And I am so excited to unbox these. I haven't even looked at them yet. I am really excited because I wanted to save it for this video because I wanted to do a real unboxing. I haven't done just like a legit unboxing in so long. So here's what the box looks like. Fytoo. I feel like it's Fytoo. That's how I'm gonna say it. Fytoo. Better glasses, clearer world. Love that. And I know most of you probably don't know that I wear glasses because I never wear them on screen because I have astigmatism in one of my eyes. Oh, actually, I found out at the eye doctor the other day that both of my eyes are not great, but for some reason I can pretty much see. I think it's one of those things though, if you also have glasses or have bad eyes, there's like when you don't have your glasses on, if you can like see things and they're maybe a tiny bit blurry, you almost don't realize it until you get like your prescription on and you're like, oh, this is what the world looks like. Like you don't notice it because that's just how it is normally for you, and you're just like, oh, I mean it's pretty much clear. But then when you put your actual prescription on, you're like, oh, but things could like actually be like so clear. So that's kind of how it is for me. So whenever I'm filming, I just prefer not to have my glasses on. Honestly, the glasses are just a pain in the butt, especially because the like ring light that I have right in front of me, it like reflects in them and it's just a hassle. So, but I literally wear them anytime I'm not filming. Like anytime I'm not wearing makeup, I have my glasses on because I need them. So anyway, I was like, oh, I am always down for some new prescription glasses because even with insurance, oh my gosh, our lenses expensive. And I mean, obviously you can get the like the lesser expensive lenses, what am I trying to say? Frames. You can get like lesser expensive frames. They're usually not like cute. And if, you know, with glasses, like you want them to be cute, because I'm sorry, but that's something you're gonna wear on your face like all the time, unless you just are like, you never wear your glasses. But I need to wear my glasses, and I can't wear contacts because I'm weird about it, and I literally can't even let people put eye drops in my eyes, including myself. Like I can't do it. But if I get really, really still and I really concentrate, I can stick my finger in my eye. That's so stupid, but like to get a hair out or something, I can do that. But for some reason, reason, if I have to actually poke like the middle of my eye, like get my contact in, I have never been able to do it. Like they literally had to hold me down the first time I tried to get contacts, and then they ended up just saying like, I don't think you're gonna be able to get them because we literally can't get them in your eye and you can't get them in your eye. And so I was like, you know what, glasses is good. Oh, this is so cute. I'm sorry, but this is so cute. Fytoo. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I am actually so excited about these because I can never find frames this cool and cute. Look at the eye doctor. Honestly though. But you just need to get your frames online nowadays, like for real. And you know, with a 15% off, why not? You guys, when I say the clearer world, this is what I'm talking about. Literally when I put these on, I was like, oh, that's sharp. That is in focus, my friends. Like, what in the world? Oh my god, I love these. I love these so much. These are so me. So I feel like I go between like the grunge aesthetic and then like pink, like floral. Like I just gravitate towards those two opposite like aesthetics. I love them both so much and I love to combine them. So I love with like my purple hair and these glasses. Oh, I love this. I love these glasses and they fit so well. Oh my gosh. And I was about to say, I don't know which ones are prescription and which ones aren't, but I can clearly tell because things are sharper and in focus when I have my prescription on. Okay, next, and I will have all of the descriptions of these glasses and like a link to them and everything. I'll have all of that below for you guys to check out if there were any of these that you guys wanted to also get and we could be twins. Okay, these are sunglasses. Oh, these are big ones. Comment below and let me know, what are your guys' go-to sunglasses? Like, do you like these big chunky ones like these? Because I do, because I have a round face and I feel like these just like fit my face better. My god, I love these. These are so cute. I am so happy right now. I love those. Oh my gosh. I love these. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I feel like a mix between Harry Potter, which I love a good Harry Potter moment, and Orange is the New Black Alex. Which when I used to have black hair, which I only had it for like a couple months or whatever, but when I had that, everyone always was like, oh my god, you look so much like Alex from Orange is the New Black. How cute are these? Oh my god, sorry. That was like probably ripped to RIP to not eardrum users. Headphone users. Who is she? And obviously you guys comment below and tell me what your favorite pair on me is. I love these. Oh my gosh. And everything's tinted pink. We love a tinted pink world. I want to see the world through rose-colored glasses, and with those, I can. Oh, and then you get like a little glasses cleaner, and I got a little coupon. There's this thing, and I am not sure what is in it. Oh, okay. It's a pair of sunglasses. Okay, let's take a look-see. They're bendable. That's something different. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at these. Okay. Hopefully it's in focus. So it's like the side is like all bent, so it's all bendable. So you can like, that's pretty cool. Oh, these are sunglasses. These are cute. Okay, these are definitely the perfect sunglasses to like have on the go because you just throw them in this little bag and you're good. Like these are definite travel sunglasses. I love, and they're cute. How can you go wrong? And I'm a classic with sunglasses. I love a good just black sunglasses vibe because it goes with any outfit. And also I just like black against my skin tone and my hair usually goes with black. I mean, because everything does. So these match my hair, kind of. My hair's a little bit darker, but oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, I feel like Miss Frizzle. I feel like these are total Miss Frizzle from Magic School Bus vibes. What do you guys think? And again, just what a sharp, clear world with glasses on. And if you guys want to see like pictures with each like close-up of these glasses on me, you can go to my Instagram and I'll have pictures of my face in each of these glasses if you guys like just wanted a closer like in-depth look of the glasses. So definitely check that out if you guys are trying to decide what glasses you want to get for 15% off with the code Leisha15. I'm trying to decide which ones are my favorite, but I kind of love them all. It's all so cute and I love that you can get like pink, you can get black, you can get purple. Like that's amazing to me. I love it. Okay, you guys, so that is the unboxing. That wraps it up here. It's just nice to be able to give a little personality to your glasses. You know what I mean? Because they're kind of like an accessory when you have to have them, like me, where I can't wear contacts. It's like when I do have to wear them, I still want to look cute, you know, I still want to show my personality, my vibe. I want it to be me, you know, my glasses. So these are so cool that you can do that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out my 15% off code Leisha15. Use it at checkout at Fytoo Eyewear, which I will also have that linked below so you guys can just head right to it to get your first pair if you guys want to try it out. You can get prescription, non-prescription, and also sunglasses. So super, super cool. Let me know if you guys do end up trying them out, and let me know which pair you guys get. And I will have all the pairs that I tried on linked below in the description. And don't worry, I have not forgotten. I am still going to do a clean out everything in my closet. I just haven't had the time yet. That will be the next video that I like when I have like a whole day or two to film. That will be the next video that will be posted. I just need to find the time to be able to film it all for you guys. Or maybe I'll do it in part 1 and part 2. I'll figure it out, but I just want to let you guys know that that is coming. I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.